Ready to make $100,000 in just 1 year? Imagine transforming your passion into a lucrative career without any guesswork. Today, I'm breaking down 5 realistic and proven ways to hit that six-figure mark. Whether you're into tech, teaching, writing, or just looking for flexible work, there's something here for you. Stick around because I've got some insider tips that could be the game changer you need. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. First up is freelance writing. Got a way with words? Freelance writing could be your pathway to financial freedom, whether you're crafting blog posts, copy, or technical documentation. Let's simplify the process into easy and actionable steps to ensure you get the most out of your writing journey. First, identify your niche. Think about your interests and what's in high demand, whether it's technology, health, finance, or travel. Finding your sweet spot is crucial. Next, build your skills. Your writing needs to shine. Improve through practice, take online courses, and read high-quality content. And don't forget about SEO knowledge. Understanding search engine optimization will add value to your work. Now, create a strong portfolio. Write samples that showcase your unique style and expertise in your niche. An online presence is essential, so consider building a personal website or blog to display your work and attract potential clients. Let's move on to setting competitive rates. Research what other writers in your niche are charging. You want your rates to reflect your skill level, whether per word, hour, or project based on complexity. Now that you're ready, find clients. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Freelancer, and specialized writing job boards are excellent starting points. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Join writing communities on social media or LinkedIn. When you find potential clients, it's time to pitch and propose. Reach out directly with personalized proposals that highlight your skills and how you can solve their problems. Responding to job listings is also a great way to land gigs. Once you get a project, deliver high-quality work. Always meet deadlines to build a strong reputation. Remember, revising and editing are key. Ensure your writing is polished and free of errors before submitting. High-quality writers can charge anywhere from 10 cents to $1 per word, depending on the niche. Specializing in technical or business writing can help you reach that six-figure mark faster. Let's break it down. To earn $100,000 in a year, your monthly goal would be around $8,333. If you charge $50 an hour, you'd need to work about 167 hours a month. Or, if you charge $500 per project, completing roughly 17 projects each month could get you there. 2. Affiliate marketing. So, coding isn't your thing? No worries. How about making money by recommending products you love? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's an incredible way to earn passive income, even starting with a minimal budget. By promoting products you genuinely believe in, you can earn commissions every time someone purchases through your unique link. How to get started? First, find the right affiliate programs. Look for those offering competitive commissions, ideally above 20%, and focus on reputable products. Big names like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are great starting points. Next, create a platform to share those affiliate links, be it a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or even a podcast. This is your stage. For beginners, starting with a simple blog or YouTube channel can effectively build your audience and drive engagement. Content is king. Create high-quality, value-driven content that resonates with your audience, be it product reviews, how-to guides, or listicles. This builds trust, which leads to conversions. Now, drive traffic to your content. Utilize SEO, leverage social media, and employ email marketing to keep your subscribers engaged. If you have the budget, consider using paid ads for visibility. The more traffic you drive, the greater your chances of earning commissions. Optimize for conversions. Pay attention to where your audience clicks and identify content that drives sales. Implement A/B testing for headlines and call to action buttons. Even minor tweaks can lead to significant improvements. To achieve that $100,000 milestone, think big and scale strategically. Produce more high-quality content and explore new niches. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its scalability. Your earnings aren't limited by hours worked. The more value you provide, the more you can earn. 3. Online courses. Online courses could be your golden goose. The e-learning industry is booming, and people are hungry for knowledge. Identify a skill you're good at and plan a course around it. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a specific in-demand topic. The more targeted your niche, the easier it is to attract your ideal audience. Step 2. Build high-quality content platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Make it easy to host and sell your course, but deliver engaging videos and practical assignments that provide real value. Step 3. Price it right. If you price your course at $100, you only need to sell 1,000 courses in a year to hit that $100,000 mark. With effective marketing, it's entirely possible. Use social media and email campaigns to generate interest and trust. Share valuable tips and testimonials to build hype around your course. Step 5. Engage and grow. Keep your audience engaged by updating your content and interacting with your students. Happy students lead to glowing reviews, which can boost your sales even further. 4. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you provide valuable services to businesses worldwide, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're handling admin tasks, data entry, or social media management, your skills can translate into a lucrative income. The services you can offer are vast, from organizing schedules and managing emails to graphic design and SEO services. If you're just starting out, you might earn between $15 and $40 an hour for basic tasks. But if you specialize in high-demand areas like SEO or bookkeeping, you could charge $50 to $100 or more per hour. One of the best perks of being a virtual assistant is the payment frequency. Many clients pay weekly, so you don't have to wait an entire month for your earnings. Finding virtual assistant jobs is easier than ever. Websites like FlexJobs, Fiverr, and Upwork are excellent platforms to connect with clients looking for your skills. To jumpstart your journey, consider taking a specialized VA course that teaches you how to land your first paying client within just 30 days. With dedication and the right skills, you can turn virtual assisting into a thriving career. So why wait? Start today and pave your path to that $100,000 goal. 5. Software development. Imagine software developers as the architects of our digital world, the magicians behind the curtain who bring ideas to life through lines of code. They're the ones transforming visionary concepts into everyday realities. From apps that let you order pizza with a tap of your finger to thrilling games that keep you hooked for hours, they're the masterminds crafting our digital experiences. As our reliance on technology grows, so does the demand for these digital wizards. And it's not just the big players like Google or Apple vying for their talents. Financial institutions are on the lookout for developers to create secure online banking systems. The energy sector is designing smart grids, and education is evolving with innovative e-learning platforms. The opportunities are truly limitless. If you've got a knack for coding, now is the time to ride this wave of opportunity. Imagine hitting that six-figure salary mark as a software developer. It's not just a dream, it's absolutely within your reach. With the right skills and a strategic approach, you can transform your coding prowess into a lucrative and fulfilling career.